Hey guys, have you heard of web development, web design, web programming? Guess what? You are in luck. This video could be the best 5 minutes of your day today. So watch this video to the end and thank me later.
Lesson 9: How to buy a domain and hosting from Namecheap with card or crypto. How to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap with card or crypto. Namecheap supports cryptocurrency payments for convenience and privacy, just as it basically supports card payments. If you don't have a dollar card, GigPay offers an easy solution. Sign up to GigPay account, create a virtual dollar card, add funds to the card using your local bank account, use the virtual card to top up your Namecheap account or make purchases directly. So I am going to illustrate for you how first to top up your Namecheap account using cryptocurrency, and then second, how to top up your Namecheap account using a dollar card. So we are going to move just right into it. As you can see, I am in my account dashboard, and when I navigate towards my account balance, I have just $1, $1.4 here. So I can click on top up. It takes me to a page where I can top up my account balance, and it displays for me the payment methods: card payment, PayPal, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and more. So I select Bitcoin and cryptocurrency section and click on next. Then you have to input the amount you want to top up on your account. I'll click on $5. Then I'll select this BTC Pay because it gives me a better interface to make payments easier. I'll click on add funds. So it redirects me to a BTC payment gateway whereby it provides for me a scannable QR code for making my payments in BTC. With this, you can only pay with BTC. With this particular BTC Pay, you can only make payments with BTC. If you have a cryptocurrency already in BTC, you can then scan this and the payment will be successful. The second option is to choose the BitPay. It gives you the opportunity to choose other cryptocurrencies as your payment option. I'll click on add funds. So it redirects me to a BitPay payment gateway on Namecheap where I will have to add an email address for receiving payment confirmation and notification. And I agree to policy. I wouldn't like to receive promotional emails, and I'll click on next. Now you have to verify you are human, and then verification complete. So in this situation, you have to create a BitPay account. So we are going to choose sign up. Now we have our password. I agree to policy, and I wouldn't choose this. Then I click on submit, thereby creating an account on BitPay. Now we have successfully created our accounts, and we'll have to verify our account. So we have our email here from BitPay, and then we can complete our verification. Having completed our verification, we can actually log in. and verify that you are human
So when your
and we
account
are in.
opens up, you just have to scan the QR code
Now
or
to complete
copy
this purchase,
the
please
wallet
log in or
address
sign up
and make
for
your
a BitPay
payment,
account.
and
So you just
everything
have to log
would
in now.
work out very well.
You select. Okay, so the next step is to show you how to make payments with card. Now we can top up our account with card by just selecting this option and clicking on next, and then we can choose the amount we want to top up with, and then payment, you click on next, that is in dollar. Then here we're expected to choose a card using an already existing card, or I can just put new card. When you select new card, you have to put the details, the name of the card, then the billing address, city, postcode, and so on and so forth, and then choose next. But because I already have a card I paid with, I will click on use existing card, and here you can see my existing card, which I will click on next. Now it gives you this option to review the information of amount to add and card details. When you click on charge and proceed, then if your card contains such amount, the transaction will take place. So because my card doesn't have that amount in it, I haven't funded it, then you receive this information: top up not completed, please try again, card processor insufficient balance. So when you actually want to do something like this, then your card should have the required amount of dollar in it. Okay, let me try topping up just $2 or $1. Okay, it needs to be 5 or more, which means you cannot top up less than $5. So, even known how to use card to top up your Namecheap account, the next question is, do you actually have a dollar card? The card that you have, can it make payments online? The conventional bank cards. Sometimes you realize that it cannot make payments online and you actually need a dollar card for doing something like this. I am now going to teach you how to create this dollar card using GigPay, and we are going to get into that just now. First of all, we'll have to download our GigPay app on Play Store. So you navigate to your Play Store, and then when you search for GigPay,
we are going to see the app GigPay Globus Bank Africa. Now, because I have the app installed already on my phone, that is why I'll just go ahead and open it. But for you, you just have to download and install it. When you open the app, as someone who haven't created an account, you can then go on to create an account. But for me, I already have an account, so I'll quickly log in with my biometrics. And when I log in, I'll be directed to the dashboard where I have multiple wallets, Nigerian Naira, US dollar, and Euro. So you can fund all these accounts perhaps using your Nigerian wallet. By putting money into your Nigerian wallet, you can now convert it to dollar and so on and so forth and use it for creation of card. So first of all, we are going to show you how to top up this Nigerian wallet. And for a start, we are trying to make use of $10. So we are going to top up our account with Nigerian worth of $10 and above. So to add funds to your Nigerian wallet, you click on this add funds, and here you can put the amount you want to add. Let's just add 20,000 because it is obviously bigger than $10. So then you select your currency, which is Nigerian Naira, and then it will show you the exchange rate and then the equivalent in Naira. Then you proceed to next. It will give you the option of bank transfer, which you select, and then proceed to next. Here, it will provide for you the particular account number and the bank name to use to do this transfer. So you copy the account number, perhaps go to your OPay and paste it in and make the transfer, copy the bank name and make the transfer. When you are done making the transfer, the next step is to click I've sent the funds, and then you can go back to home. So if you actually send the money will top up on your Nigerian wallet. It will reflect and show 20,270. Now, with that amount in hand, you can now navigate to the cards section to create a dollar card. Here, this is a card I was using on Namecheap. So I'll click on create new, which will give us the option to choose our card name. So I can just type Codetek Academy. Now I can select a different color and click on next. Here it will tell you that your card, for creation of card, you will be charged $3, and the minimum amount to fund in your card is $2, which means that just for this, it sums up to $5. But then let's just add up $10 because we want to make payments of more than $5 in our Namecheap account. So we add $10 here and then choose the wallet with which you pay that $10. If your Nigerian Naira is up to 20k, then you know it can cover the cost. You choose your Nigerian Naira and then you can proceed to create card. So with this, you can be able to have a card just like this, and then you have the card details where you can copy the details and put into any online payments. You can make payments with this card. You can add funds to your card either using your Nigerian Naira, US dollar, or anything. You can add funds to this card if the balance is low. Then you can see your card transactions here, payments that you have made in different places. Then you can also freeze your card, you can terminate your card, you can withdraw money from your card into your bank or any other place. Then you can view your billing address where you can actually For Nigeria, this is your billing address. For US, this is your billing address. These are details that you have to put into your online payment gateway when they request for your billing address. So this is just the perfect card to use online virtual. If it is preferable for you to get a normal bank dollar card, then you have to create a domiciliary account either with your bank GTB or any other one, so you can also go through the process and get a card with which you can always make payments online. If you don't want to go through that method, then this online virtual card will be the best option for you.
Thank you very much for following us throughout the process of part 1 of our course, which is general knowledge. And I believe by now you know all the fundamental information you should have as a web developer. With this, we come to the end of part 1 of our course, which is general knowledge. And in the next part, we'll be teaching you how to navigate the cPanel and how to procure PHP scripts and how to install and customize them. Stay tight and follow us for more. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd want to be part of our tech journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.